Great. Thanks for asking. Oh, one question.
Shopping carts are being returned to the shopping cart.
Gal margarita mix. I'm